I'm an FPV pilot. It's been like 2 3 months. I'm learning the basics. I started on the Eachine Wizard 220. I bought the Fly Sky i6 like everybody did, and now I upgraded to QX7 Taranis, and I bought a Leader 120. This is the drone I'm going to be flying in this video. So disclaimer: do not fly inside. This drone is very powerful, but I think I'm a skilled pilot for the time I've been flying. So you will see my flight footage, and I'm starting this channel just to keep track of my progress and how I'm doing, and I guess be in the community as well because I love it. I love the hobby. I love doing everything that's related to it. So yeah, we'll see the flight footage. Beast I grabbed from GearBest. It's the Leader 120. It's not a review, it's just to say what I'm flying on. So it's stock camera, stock everything actually, and I'm flying on these batteries I got locally because I'm winning on my Goenang 2S 550. This is just for just to get used with it, you know, for now. So you will see what it can do. It's very